Hello and welcome to month 6 in the Rambling Star Block of the Month video series. My name is Tina Dillard with Quilting Affection Designs. Today we'll be making block 6, which is very similar to block 2 and is divided into also A and B blocks that are mirrored. We will also be making 2A and 2B blocks measuring 6.5 unfinished. In this tutorial, we'll be working on block 6, and we'll be also showing you the fabrics and how to put the blocks together. So let's get started. For block 6, you will need 4 different colors of fabric to complete this block. You'll need a white, a red, a green, and purple. These fabrics I'm using in this quilt come from the Island Boutique Plum Delicious collection. The only tools you'll be needing to make this block are your basic sewing supplies such as your rotary cutter and rulers. In the block 6, you will need to cut the following blocks out: 4 2-inch white squares, 4 2-inch red squares, and 1 2-inch green and purple square. You will also need 2 white 2 by 3.5 rectangles and 1 purple 2 by 3.5 rectangle. Please remember to follow your pattern for yardage and cutting instructions. Now let's begin the construction of block 6A.